Hey everyone, Bilal from Speckle here. So, we recently launched Issues in Speckle. It's a full issue tracking system. You can track problems directly on 3D models, assign them to team members, set priorities and due dates, and attach markups to show exactly what you're talking about. Great for design reviews, coordination, and managing construction issues. We've now added a helper function to our Power BI data connector that pulls all this issue data into Power BI. Once it's in Power BI, you can monitor overdue issues, spot bottlenecks, build executive dashboards, basically, slice the data however you want for your project management and reporting needs. And here is how you can use it. Inside Power Query, you can call it as speckle.pro.issues or simply type in issues and it should show up. And this parameter accepts two inputs. It takes a URL, which can be a project URL, a model URL, or even a specific version URL, and an optional get replies input. The default value for this parameter is set to false. If you also want to fetch replies associated with an issue, set it to true. So for this demo, I'm going to use this sample project. I've added a bunch of issues here that are in various statuses. They have different priorities assigned to different people. I also set due dates and added some labels. What I will do is I will just copy the URL and go back to Power Query now and simply paste the URL here. I'm pasting a project URL. You could have also just pasted a model URL and press enter. And just like that, all these issues are here. We can see the issue ID, their titles, their description, statuses, priority, assigned to who, the due dates, the labels, the time they were created at, the time they were updated at, and the URLs. And the first thing I do after I load the data in Power BI is I select all the columns. I go to transform and select detect data type. So each column has the correct data type, especially in this case, the date columns are important. Now I can just jump into the report view and start building my report, but I'm not going to do that in this video because this video is not about building a report. It's about showing the capabilities. And I've put together this sample report for this tutorial, which shows the total number of issues in this project, those that are in progress, the high priority open issues, over the issues, open issues, distribution of issues by assignee, priority, status, and individual issue details. I've also added some drop downs here so I can quickly filter to see, some details about specific issues, like how are the high priority issues going, so we can see their statuses, etc. You get the point. And really, once the data is in Power BI, you can build whatever report makes sense for what you need to track. And that's it for this one. Let me know if this is useful for you and your team. And if you have any questions about this helper function specifically, let me know in the comment section below or head over to our forum at speckle.community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.